A business model is the structural blueprint for how a company creates, delivers, and captures value within the market. This template is the business model canvas. It is a single-page tool used to map out strategy and check viability before a founder invests capital. This framework allows founders to draft and test their assumptions on paper, making it easier to identify and fix flaws before the product reaches the customer. Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur developed this model as a concise alternative to document-heavy business plans. Looking at this diagram, the right side defines the market. It identifies the customer segments you target and the value propositions that solve their problems. Connecting these are channels, dictating how value is delivered, and customer relationships, defining how the business maintains trust. These connections generate revenue streams, detailing the specific methods the business uses to collect money from its customers. The left side focuses on internal operations, identifying the key resources or essential assets and the key activities required to make the business function. Under key partnerships, we list external entities like suppliers and distributors that provide resources or help reduce operational risk. All operational expenses incurred by these building blocks are then accounted for in the final cost structure. Because these blocks are interconnected, changing one, such as the target customer, requires an immediate update to the resulting cost and revenue projections. A fully mapped canvas is just a hypothesis. It must be tested against 5 specific metrics before it is ready for launch. This chart shows the first 2 baselines: profitability, ensuring revenues exceed costs, and longevity, the ability to sustain the model. Next are operational metrics. Simplicity determines if it can be easily executed, while portability tests if it can scale into new markets. The final metric is recurring revenues, confirming the model generates repeat business rather than one-off transactions. If a model fails any of these 5 metrics, the founder should iterate on the canvas rather than launching a flawed product. The business model canvas is a living document intended for constant iteration as market conditions change. The final step is translating this 9-block model into a formalized project report ready for execution or presentation. By refining the business on paper first, we reduce the risk of wasting capital in the real world.